Short little video on installing FleetMAX. This connects to the pedal. This connects to the factory harness, plugs right in. Make sure that when you push them in, you actually hear them click, otherwise they're not all the way in. This is the remote knob, just a simple connection. This is the connection for the ABS. ABS plug, plugs into the ABS connector, plugs into the main harness. This connects to the battery full time. This is the control box. Literally to connect it, you go up underneath the dash, you can grab the pedal, unplug it, which I unplugged it. I'm now going to, hopefully I can see this, I'm now going to connect the product in, hear the click, connect the plug in to the pedal, gotta push pretty hard, it clicks. That's basically what it looks like. 12-volt wire I already have ran on this particular vehicle. Only goes through the firewall, connects to the 12-volt pin. I'm going to connect it. 12 volts is now connected. ABS wire. This again would run through the firewall on this particular vehicle. I'm just going to run it outside the door just for testing. Sorry about the, you can't really hear it here, but this is the connector. It'll be ran for testing. Normally it goes through the firewall and down, but for this particular test, it's just going to be short and sweet. There it is. It's in this little connector right here. Disconnected. We'll plug our connection in. Hard to do this one-handed. There we go. Again, make sure you push it until you feel it click. That is the key. I should hear it click. This particular one, I'm just going to wrap it around because I'm dry. This pot right here is speed. Should be probably going about 40 miles an hour with the current setting before it stops. About to test it. Alright, now it's cut off. Foot on the floor. It's on the speed limit. Again, this pot on this side is speed. This is torque. That's 0 is stock. If you turn it all the way up, it's the max torque reduction. Generally, if you're going to have a vehicle and you're going to try to improve fuel economy, we usually run right around here. The speed kind of equates to the physical vehicle speed. And then when you're done with it, when the vehicle's on, to save the settings, you literally just disconnect this connector and it saves the settings into the black box. That's it. Some FleetMAX that use the PBF Max hardware have pin 16, which is this one populated with the ground. I've already pulled the retaining pin, so this needs to not be connected. Make sure that with the PBF Max hardware that pin 16 is not connected to ground.